Hello. So as we are saying, so you after you have put this, you can just simply come here. If you want to increase the size, you increase the size of your text. Okay. When you change the color, you can change the color to the color you want. Okay. You can come here to change multiple colors depending on you. Okay. This one will just keep it white. You can have different colors. The colors can be based on the other colors or images that are available inside the flyer. You can choose your own. So if you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. Okay. This way you can increase it this way a bit. You can make it underline or italic. You can underline. Okay. You can cross if you want to cross. You can make it capital letters or small letters or beginning with the capital letters. You can make it center to the right and or keep it to the left. If you want to number, you number it here. Okay. If you want to number pages, you number it here. Okay. Want to number it to 1, 2, 3. So it depends on you. We're going to put there. Then you have to advanced settings. Okay. This one you want to do or transparency. Okay. You can reduce it. You can increase it, and to make beautiful things to look more beautiful. Okay. Effects depends on you. How do you want it to be? Let's say you want to make this one. You can now increase the offset. Okay. Or you can make it to depending on how you want it to be. And you want to make it blur, make it, let's keep it like that. Transparency, you can make it, okay, you can make it like this, depends on you. And a lot more, you can just give some colors. Okay, so let's say this one how it goes. And I think basically that's what is there. Okay, you can transform it, you can make it look more different depending on you. So that's how you can actually work with this Canva and lot more. Here we have the simply they have the font size. Okay, so different fonts. You can choose the one that you want. Which one do you want? You just simply go there, click, and you choose. Okay, so we're going to stay with the default font size. Just come back here for the return. Okay, position, you can position it the way you want to position. These are the arrangements. It can be on layers because you want to put some information. Okay, under the layers, which one is coming first? You can see all these areas here to identify where they are. So this will help you to arrange your information. Maybe you see as I'm changing, you see as I'm changing, it's also indicating here. Okay, so it will help you to arrange your information well, and you'll be able to adjust their text and to know exactly which one is which. For arrangement, you can go there, you can make it back, front, depending on how the text is be. Okay, this one is on top, so you can make it to the front, you can make it to the backward, you can take it to the back, I can take it to the back, I can bring it forward. Okay, okay, so that's how you can definitely have to arrange your text. So on our next video, I'm going to explain these other options that are available here. I can explain new text and upload picture of your own and so forth. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video.